Hi, kamusta? This is Teacher Cha Garcia and I'm your teacher in MAPE. Today is the start of the second quarter. We're going to discuss first music in Module 1. So today is Music 6.2.1 or Music Grade 6, second quarter, Module number 1. So what is the topic that we are going to discuss today? We are going to discuss about major scales, C, F, and G. So tatlo yon. That's C, F, and G. So before we proceed to the different major scales or in composing or in making those three major scales, ano ba muna ang ibig sabihin ng scale? Scale or musical scale is composed of a succession of notes based on a specific sound pattern. So from the word succession, ibig sabihin, ito ay pataas, sunod-sunod, sunod-sunod. So as you can see here, this is an example of a diatonic scale. So sunod-sunod siya. This is the first note, second, third, hanggang eighth note. So this is diatonic scale. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng diatonic? So let us look at the picture here. So this is scale. And scale has different types. It can be chromatic, nonatonic, octatonic, heptatonic, hexatonic, pentatonic, tetratonic, and ito yung huli, which is the diatonic. We will focus on diatonic. So diatonic can be major or minor. So, iwan muna natin tong minor. Dito tayo sa major. Ito na ngayon yon, yung major. Ang major scale ay tatlo. It can be C, yung gamit na gamit, F major, and G major. So, ayan, yung pinanggalingan ng C major, F major, at saka G major. So, but first, before we proceed, let's have a little throwback or let's have a little review. So, this is a ledger line, di ba? Ito yung ledger. So, dito sa ledger, alam ko na-discuss na to before, yung mga spaces and lines have their different name or letter names. So, this itong line na ito, yung first line, that is E, second line is G, third line is B, fourth line is D, and fifth line is F. So, ito yung every good boy does fine. Does it ring a bell? Naalala ba? Ito namang spaces sa ledger, ito naman yung F, first space is F, second space is A, third space is C, and the fourth space is E. So, ayan naman yung phase. So, pag pinag-combine natin sila, magiging ganito ang itsura niyan. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So, ito mismo ang tinatawag na C major. Pero paano ba nabuo ang C major? So, ayan. Kung ilalagay natin siya sa keyboard, ito yung itsura ng isang C major. So, ayan. Kada isang white key, every white key ay may katumbas na specific letter name. So, magsisimula tayo sa middle C. So, this is middle C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then higher C. So, paano yan? Let us look at this keyboard. Meron ako ditong keyboard. Ayan. So, ito yon. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Or yung alam natin, or yung kilala na, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Ito yon. C is the middle Do, Re, and then Do is the C or the higher C. The higher Do is the higher C. All right. So let us go back. In making a scale pattern, kasi bubuo tayo ng pattern eh. Kanina pinakita ko na kung ano yung itsura ng scale pattern C. Ito yon. Ngayon, in making a scale pattern, meron tayong tinatawag na formula. So ano yung formula na yon? That is W means whole, S means step, and then H means half. So that is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. So tandaan nyo lang yan. Habang nagdi-discuss tayo, tandaan nyo lang yung code natin. So that is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Ano ba yung ibig ko sabihin? Balik tayo dito sa ating keyboard. For every key, ito is equivalent to half step. Again, for every key is equivalent to half step. So, itong C is half step. Pero, meron siyang katabing key, yung black key. Itong C ay may katabing black key. So, this is also a half step. So, from here, going here is half step. From here sa black key, going dito sa white key is another half step. So, half, 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 half. Dahil wala naman tong katabing black key, so, ibig sabihin, mula dito sa key na ito, this is E, di ba? Let's mark it. So, this is E. Going to F, that is half step. Again, half, 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 and then half. Ngayon, paano natin i-apply yung formula natin na whole, 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 half, whole, 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 half? Paano yon? Balik tayo dito ulit. Ito yung formula, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So, paano yon? So, dito tayo palagi mag-i-start sa middle C. So, si middle C, whole. So, half and half is whole. So, this is 1. Mark natin. So, from C to D is whole step. So, that is equivalent to, yun na yung WS, diba? Yung whole. Next naman, from D to E, whole step. So, that is the second whole. And then, F is the half step. So, that is the half step. So, from F to G, whole step. Pangalawang whole step, going to A. Pangatlong whole step, going to B. And then, half step to C. So, tatandaan lang yung formula ha. Mas madali yan intindihin kasi C. Pero medyo tricky na pagdating na sa scale of F at saka scale of G or major, F major and G major. So, anong ibig ko sabihin? Punta tayo dito sa G major. Dito pala sa C major, ang home tone natin ay C. Tandaan ha, ang ating home tone ay C or Do. Sa G major, ang ating home tone ay G. G ang ating home tone. Ibig sabihin, dito tayo mag-i-start sa G. Dito sa G, tayo mag-uumpisa ng nota. So, this is G, succession, di ba? Scale, succession. G, sunod sa G ay A, B, C, D, E, F, and then C. So, paano natin siya ililipat or paano tayo gagawa ng scale pattern using the formula na ginamit natin kanina? Balik tayo dito. So, di ba sabi ko, mag-uumpisa tayo sa G. So, dito tayo sa G. That is G. Wait lang. So, this is G. And then, whole step. A. Another whole step. Going to B. half step, C, whole step, D, whole step ulit, E. Ito na yung medyo tricky. Whole step ulit, 'di ba? This is whole, 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 half, whole, whole, another whole. Paano yung whole nito? This is kalahati, 'di ba? This is half. This is another half. So that is F sharp. And then, after that, meron na tayong whole. Whole, half, whole, 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 and then half step, G. So, ito yung scale pattern ng G major. So, tingnan nyo dito sa ating keyboard. So, this is G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and then F. Sorry, that's G. Again, that's G, A, B, C, D, E, and then F sharp, and then G. Next, let's go to F major. Paano naman yung F major? Mag-uumpisa tayo sa, let's clear this, mag-uumpisa tayo sa F. Okay, so that is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. So, nabuo pa din natin yung ating formula or nagamit pa rin natin yung ating formula. So, kung titingnan natin, so this is the F major scale. So, this is F, G, A, B, C, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So, ito ay B flat. B flat na yung key na yan sa F major scale. So, tatandaan nyo lang yung formula at madali nyo maaalala o mabubuo yung iba't ibang major scales na C, G, and F. So, tatandaan natin na kapag C major, walang markings dito sa gilid or sa tabi ng G clef. Kapag G major, meron yang sharp, which means one note higher. Pag flat naman, yung F major, meron niyang flat. Meaning that is one note or one key lower. So, anong ibig kong sabihin? So, balik ulit tayo dito sa ating piano. So, if this is C, ang kasunod dito ay D, di ba? Ibig sabihin, kung ito ay C at itong black key na ito, ano kaya ito? Ibig sabihin, ito ay one key higher of C. So that is C sharp. If this is C and this is D, ang key na ito ay pwede ding maging D flat. Tingnan nyo. So this is C, one key higher, C sharp. This is D, one key lower, that is D flat. So, ang tunog niyan ay iba kumpara sa key na C at D. So, ibig sabihin, ang C sharp at D flat ay pareho lang ng key. Naintindihan po? So, I think that's it of our lesson for today. I hope you have learned something. And if you have any more questions, just message me. All right? So, goodbye for now. And you may now start answering your module. Bye.